Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be cooking fried rice. I will be using Golden Basmati and lots of ingredients, so stay tuned and watch the step-by-step process. Alright guys, these are the ingredients for the fried rice. So here we have rice, butter, spring onion, red onion, these are bell peppers, so we call red, yellow, green bell peppers, and king prawn. Also here I have black grounded pepper, Maggi cube, thyme, and red grounded pepper. And also here also is turmeric, ginger, coriander leaf, curry powder, garlic, and salt. We have turkey gizzard, breast chicken, and here is olive oil, green peas, sweet corn, carrot, diced carrot, and I also have cabbage here, the red cabbage. Yes, so all these are my ingredients. We're gonna start right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start by blending the ginger, garlic, and the red onion together. Here is my breast chicken and the gizzard. I'm going to pour the blended garlic and ginger and the onion. I'm going to pour it inside the turkey and the gizzard. Then I'm going to add on my curry powder, also the coriander, and also the turmeric, and also a pinch of salt. Also I'm going to add black pepper and the thyme, like half teaspoon of thyme. Then I'm going to add one Maggi cube. I'm going to stir it and leave it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, the chicken and the gizzard is cooked. So I'm going to be using the sauce later for the rice. Okay guys, so it is the time to prepare the beautiful rice. So I'm going to begin by melting the butter. Okay, after melting the butter, then I'm going to add the red onion to fry for like going to 2 minutes. Yeah, as you can see, the butter is turning a bit brown, and this is what I want it to turn to. Yeah, so as soon as it turns to brown, just add up your rice and stir it. Make sure you stir it properly. Keep stirring it for like 5 minutes. Sorry, I forgot to mention this. Make sure you wash your rice properly, like 3 to 4 times until it turns to clear water. Yeah, remember it's fried rice, so everything has to be like stir frying. So you need to do that like 5 minutes. Remember our chicken stock, so I'm going to be pouring it in the rice now. Okay, now so you're going to add the red dry pepper and the thyme. Going to add it in. Then you're going to add your Maggi cube Remember we have 3 Maggi cubes, so I've used one for the breast chicken and the gizzard, so this is the remaining 2, and stir it. Then I'm going to cover it and leave it for like 20 minutes to cook. I'm going to put it on low heat. I'll come back to see if the 20 minutes is enough for it to cook, or I'll have to add up more minutes. Okay guys, so it is now time to check the rice and to see how the rice is doing. As you can see, the water is getting dry, so at this stage I will need to taste and see how it tastes, if it's cooked or I need to add more water. After tasting it, I've seen that it's not cooked, so I need to add a little bit more water, just a little tiny bit, for it to finally cook. And I'm going to cover it again for 5 minutes and put it on a very low heat. Okay, so I need to check the rice for the final cook. Yes, as you can see, the rice is finally cooked and is all dry. There is no any liquid inside. Everything is dry now. This is going to be yummy. Okay, now so I'm going to put it aside and start the stir fries, the vegetables and every other thing, or every other ingredient left. So I'm going to stir fry them now. Okay, so I'm going to start the stir fry by adding my extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to add the breast chicken and the gizzard to stir fry them. So at this stage I have to put my gas on high heat because I don't want the veg to be overcooked. Say like 1 to 2 minutes. So now I'm going to be adding my green pea and again stir it for like 30 seconds to 1 minute again. Alright, the next is the sweet corn. I have added my sweet corn now. Again, we stir it for like 30 seconds. Remember to put the gas on a high heat, as we don't want the vegetable to be soggy. So you continue stirring it. Remember, it's fried rice, so you continue stirring, frying. So next I'm going to add on my carrots and stir fry again. So I'm going to be adding all my bell pepper, the green and the red and yellow pepper. Then we start stirring it. After adding the bell pepper, just need to leave it for like 30 seconds because we don't want it to overcook, remember. I'm going to add on my red cabbage now. And stir fry it a little bit as well. Okay, so I'm just going to add a pinch of salt to the veg just to give it a little bit taste. So at this stage I'm going to be adding the rice and put it on medium heat. Okay guys, so I've added on the prawn. Yeah, so the prawn is already cooked prawn. You don't have to put it on a high heat, just a low heat will do. and also my spring onion. I love spring onion. Just gonna stir it just a little bit. And that's it. Fried rice is ready. It looks so yummy. Even before, I taste it, I could feel it, I can see it. That is gonna be yummy. So let me serve it. Alright guys, the fried rice is ready now. As you can see, it looks delicious. Even though you can't taste it, you can tell it's going to be very delicious. Don't forget to like my video, share and subscribe, and also I'll be putting the recipe, the measurement down below in the video. So thanks for watching. See you again in another video. Thank you. Bye.